Hello everybody. Now this is one video to show you how to recover the lost data from Fujitsu laptop hard drive. So we can see it is one easy recovery case. We have power on the drive gets ready. Now we enter the file extraction interface and see the result. So here's the file extraction. We select. We can see that the DFL-DDP data recovery program has listed all the lost data automatically. So users need just open each partition and list all the folders and subfolders and files under the partitions, and then select the wanted files, right-click to recover the selected files. That's it. This drive has only some simple bad sectors. So for simple bad sectors or drive with a lot of bad sectors but drive keeps ready within the DFL-DDP data recovery program, the data can be extracted directly. So we can see the model of this Fujitsu laptop hard drive is MHZ2320BH, and capacity SN number. So it's very easy to use the DFL-DDP data recovery program to recover lost data from these kind of Fujitsu hard drives. Thank you for watching this video.